Moldbusters is seizing the opportunity to begin offering free virtual inspections to solve our clients' problems while saving them valuable time and reducing overall costs. Moldbusters has developed an easy-to-use software for virtual inspections, which works right from your browser and no additional app installations are required. Get connected with a certified inspector for free right away or select the most suitable time and date. Schedule your free virtual inspection via bossmold.com website or by calling the Moldbuster Solution Center at 1-877-566-6653. Once your appointment is scheduled, you will receive a custom link to join the virtual inspection. Open it via your Chrome browser and voila! Make sure to enable the microphone and the camera when prompted. Press the Join Meeting button and you will reach a certified inspector via a video call so you can show us your problem. So if you've been putting off getting your home inspected, there's no time like the present. Give our no-hassle free virtual inspections a try. We have service all around the world.